Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about when is the best time to buy silver. Now I have a number of people messaging the comments, especially newer stackers that are just starting out, and they're asking should they purchase silver now, should they wait till next month, is there due a drop in spot price. Now my honest opinion, and as always I'm not a financial advisor, so obviously you've got to make your own decisions, but for me personally I invest regularly every single month, whether the price is high or whether it's low, because no one has a crystal ball. No one knows whether next month or next week the price is going to go up or down. So the best way, in my opinion, to do it is to invest regularly every single month. Some months you're going to pay more, some months you're going to pay less, but as an average, you're going to get the best possible price. Now, there's a famous quote, and I'm not sure who said it first. It could have been Warren Buffett, but it says, time in the market beats time in the market. And what that means is it's better to be invested long term in an asset instead of holding back and trying to time the best buying opportunity. Because like I said, if you're investing every single month without fail, whether the price is high or low, as an average, you're going to get the best price. If you try and time the market and you think, right, I'm going to wait till next month because it might drop, it might go up, and you might not necessarily get a better price than the current price is sitting. So I'll be interested to hear your strategy when making investments into precious metals. Do you wait until the price, in your opinion, is lower? Or do you just make a purchase when you've got the funds together? Like I said, for me personally, I try and purchase every single month regardless of spot price. I never go to buy silver and then look at the spot price and go, oh, that's too high, I'm not buying now. If I'm ready to make a purchase, I'll just buy. Like I've said in previous videos, I plan to hold silver for a long period of time, absolute minimum 10 years. So if some months I'm paying a little bit more, it doesn't really faze me because long term I see it going up anyway. So yeah, let me know in the comment section how you purchase silver. I hope this helps the newer investors that are looking to get in precious metals. Don't get so caught up on the daily price movements. In my opinion, it's best just to get involved. Like I said, don't try and time the market. It's all about time in the market. So yeah, thanks very much for watching this video. And as always, I hope you have a nice day.